Next, always remember, depending on the rule set of the competition you choose to use your wrestling in, make sure you know how to go from the blade. Because you can use the ball example, you can touch, touch, touch. So it's a club. You can put that whole club like this, like this, like this, and use it as a shield, and bang into whatever part they're blocking with. Because it's a weapon. If you have a cage, it's legal. Ropes, depending on the referee, could be considered pushing, like cross guard. See, why would I want to have hands like this? Because the first one is just to move you. That's what strength training is for. I was holding it with a bottle. Yeah, cross guard, depending on the strength of you. This decent way. One hand on. Pow. So, pow, pow. Or, pow, pow. You can grab the back. Or, with this arm, flip. Have back control. See?